Hello viewers, welcome back to Ajmera Fashion. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan and today's video is going to be very different because in today's video I am going to bring you in our cotton sari counters. Yes, we have everything counter by just an example. You can see this side. Here some live purchasing is going on. Customers are purchasing and we are making video for all of you so that you will get to know that how exactly inside Ajmera House we work. So let's move further and let's go to the counter of Suti cotton. You can read here the name of the department is Suti cotton department, and you can see the variety over here. So wide range of varieties we have. You can see this whole counter is going to be only cotton and cotton and cotton, and you can see the weight over here. I just want to show you this much sarees. This is just a layer. This is the earth. You can see over here, this is just floor, and from upside you can see this is the floor, and you will get to know about idea that we have so wide range of varieties over here. So want to see this collection, so let's move further and let's see the first sample over here. So I have one sample. So name of the sample is going to be BS Mono Mahima, the name of the sari, and I just want to show you first the photo. So let's see the photo over here. So this is going to be the photo, and let's open the masterpiece over here. So that is very pretty. Isn't this very unique and very attractive? Perfect and ideal for a daily wear, and this is going to be exactly piece you will get here with a very best quality of product, that is a cotton. Now you might have a cotton. Is there just a cotton? But in the cotton there are also varieties, just like PC cotton, Kota cotton, Malai cotton, chicks cotton, Munga cotton, and lots more. We have kept all those varieties over here. So let's move further and let's see another beautiful masterpiece here. So we are gonna see first a catalog photo. So this is the catalog photo of this piece. Let's move to exact sample. So I'm gonna open it properly first. Wow, very sober sari and very attractive elegant sari we are providing you. Isn't this very unique? I want to show you like this also, so you might have idea. You can see the proper length of the piece from the floor till this area. You can see this will be a properly, so you can see the cut, that is very good. We have cut of the sari that is 630 meter plus. If you want a with blouse piece, we have with blouse piece. If you want without blouse piece, we have that too. Let's move further and let's see a sample of next piece. So I have a sample here, again masterpiece on a floral printing. So we are going to open this piece here. You can see the very attractiveness of this piece. I want to show you, look, here is the body of this piece, overall body. You can see the work of this piece, that is very attractive and elegant, and this is going to be a blouse piece of this piece. So isn't this very unique? Let's move further and let's see another masterpiece which is going to be on a soft cotton. Yes, this is a soft cotton. Wow, look at the sari. It will look really good, and most Indian female loves to wear cotton saris because this cotton fabric is very versatile fabric, because in the winter season it stays warm, in the hot season it stays cool. So this is something like very attractive and very good quality of the cotton. That's why usually Indian female demands highly of a cotton fabric. So if you want to be a retailer, want to sell this product in a retail, so you can come at Ajmera Fashion, where you will get this wild range of varieties in a wholesale direct from a manufacturer, because we are the first manufacturer who is providing everything to a retailer. So do come here, we will provide you everything. Let's move further and let's see another masterpiece which is going to be on a great color combination. Now first I want to show you, I hope this is the blouse piece. No, this is not a blouse piece. This is the pallu pattern here. It is coming with on a blouse piece. So wow, look at this. Isn't this very pretty, very elegant, and properly cut of the sari you will get, that is a 630 meter. As I told you previously that you will get full cut, that is a 630 meter of cut. So we have wide range of varieties, not just in a cotton, but we have kurti, lehenga, nighty, dress material, ladies undergarment, blouse, petticoat, menswear, kidswear, and lots of varieties. So do come here. For more details, Numbers are on screen, just call there. So friends, now you might have one question that ma'am, everything is okay, but why you are not mentioning the price? What is the reason behind that? So main reason that we are not disclosing price, if we will disclose the price, that will be a problem for all of you to add your margin. That's why we are not disclosing it. For more details, want to know price, want to order something online, you can call on the numbers or you can WhatsApp messages. So again, I want to tell you that transportation is available all over world. You can order online from your home itself. You will get a lowest range in Ajmera Fashion. So this was our video about cotton sarees. You can see the wide range of varieties, but it's really not possible for me to show everything in just one video. That's why I request you again and again, direct messages. We will send you a PDF catalog of all the varieties. So this was our video about cotton sarees. If this video was informative for you, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan. That's it for today. Signing off.